this sharp point right here, right? So we have to be very careful with this thing. Okay? That way we don't get hurt.
Her tied though.
She's what?
Her tied though.
She's an angel.
Her angel.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
It's okay. She's an angel. See her
What
wings?
is
This is her halo.
Where's her head?
Is the bathroom safe
This
yet?
is her head.
Yes, it's okay.
Where's her eyes?
Well, we can't see her eyes.
Where are they?
I don't know.
Tell me.
See? There they are. Did you see them?
I want to see two eyes.
You want to see two eyes? Do you see two eyes? I see two eyes. Be careful. Okay.